our company, Common Objects, specializes in adding vision, sensor integration, and powerful AI tools to mobile platforms like robotics and drones. So effectively what we're doing is creating a very rich network in which we can take in a significant amount of data, and then we're partnering with Airbus to be able to distribute that data to critical personnel. So some examples of that in public safety in particular are things like if you have a chemical spill, for example, or a developing situation at an industrial plant, right? Those 20 to 30 minutes that take to put on personal protective equipment, that situation can change from a small minor situation to nearly a disaster in that amount of time. And it also changes the profile of your response, right? So that response could go from, we're taking 20 minutes just to determine what the cause of this is or what the situation is, to now, with critical information distributed in real time, almost instantaneously when the event starts, we're able to actually change the profile to effectively now what we're responding to exactly what the situation is, as opposed to trying to figure that out within the first 20 or 30 minutes. So really, it's a powerful tool to gather critical data in real time and distribute that to exactly the right people using Airbus's Agnet solution.